A brand new humanoid robot called Figure02 just got the internet's attention. It is backed by OpenAI and some other huge names in tech like Nvidia, Microsoft, and even Jeff Bezos' private fund. So yeah, it's pretty big. All right, let's get into it. Figure, the company behind this robot, just dropped a teaser video for their latest model, Figure02. The video is short, like seriously short, but it's packed with some really interesting details if you look closely. So, let's check out the video first, and then I'll break down everything you need to know. So we see some robotic joints, limbs, and these futuristic-looking flexible mesh designs that are probably part of the robot's body. If you're into specs, they even tease torque ratings up to 150 Newton meters. To break it down, that's basically a measure of how much force the robot can exert when it's moving something. There's also something about a range of motion up to 195 degrees, which is kind of a big deal in the world of robotics. Now, Brett Adcock, the founder of Figure, is not new to wild tech startups. He's also behind Archer Aviation and Vetter. He posted on Twitter, or X as it's called now, that Figure02 is the most advanced humanoid robot on the planet. Bold claim, right? But with the backing they've got, it's hard not to take him seriously. So, let's rewind a bit. Figure as a company only started in 2022, which is like yesterday in startup terms, and they've already got a lot of people talking. They came out of nowhere in March 2023 with their first model, Figure01, which was aimed at tackling global labor shortages. The idea is that these robots can step in to do jobs that are unsafe or just plain boring for humans, like working in warehouses, factories, and retail. And get this, they built their first full-scale humanoid robot in just 6 months. 6 months, people, that's insane. They've got a team of 40 experts, including their CTO, Dr. Jerry Pratt, who's a big name in the robotics world. Their vision is pretty clear: make robots that boost productivity, make workplaces safer, and get this, they've promised they'll never weaponize these robots, so they're really going for that good guy angle. What's also cool is they've already got a deal with BMW manufacturing, so we might be seeing these robots in action sooner rather than later. To top it off, Figure01 had some impressive integration with OpenAI's GPT-4V model, which is like the top-of-the-line AI tech right now. So you can bet Figure02 will be packing some even newer AI models when it drops on August 6th, 2024. Now, Figure isn't the only one in the game. The race to bring AI-powered humanoid robots into our homes and workplaces is heating up. You've got Elon Musk out there saying there's going to be a market for over 10 billion, yes, billion humanoid robots. He's working on his own robot, Tesla Optimus, which is basically going to be a competitor to Figure. And then there's Nvidia, who's been showing off some pretty wild stuff with their Project Groot, using Apple Vision Pro headsets to help train AI robots through teleoperators. And don't forget Boston Dynamics. Those guys have been in the game for a while, and they're working on their own humanoid robot too, upgrading their Atlas model with electric motors to make it cheaper and more reliable. So as we look ahead to the launch of Figure02 on August 6th, 2024, it's evident that this robot is poised to make a significant impact in the world of robotics. With backing from industry giants and a visionary team, Figure02 promises to bring advanced AI and innovative design to practical applications, potentially transforming industries and enhancing workplace safety and efficiency. Let us know in the comments what you think about this exciting machine. See you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more exciting information.